Hi, this is the introduction video of mine. I am Gaurav Goyal, working as technical and product architect. I have total 18 plus year of experience in IT industry and worked on all kind of Microsoft technologies. Mainly I work and working on SharePoint Online and on-premise both project servers, Office 365 and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. I am working as SharePoint developer, consultant, senior consultant, technical lead, trainer, technical and product architect as per the requirement. I'm doing all kind of jobs here like development, administration, deployment, migration, requirement gathering, estimation, design, testing, UAT, integration with various softwares and tools, giving support to the customers, maintenance of the software and the training. I am contributing in SharePoint PNP community, writing blog, writing articles on my site, example like Blogger, Medium, TechNet. I am Microsoft certified professional and Microsoft certified solution associate and solution developer. Here is my technical skill sets. I have worked on Azure. I'm working on Azure, SharePoint Framework, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automation, ASP.NET, SQL Server, and many more things. You can contact me via email, that is gauravgoyal_5 at hotmail.com. You can connect me through the Twitter, that's gauravgoyal_5. You can follow me on LinkedIn, that's in.in/gauravgoyal_Indore. And you can see my blog also, that's sharepointgauravgoyal.blogspot.com. Thank you.